This is just a draping class. Alright, let's start sewing, guys.
So when we place our line is going to become center front.
Hi guys, I'm in my sewing room and I'm trying to finish the activity that is due tomorrow. This is a top for the basic bodice. This is a draping class. I made a pattern on the paper and from that transfer it to the real fabric and putting them all together. Alright, let's start sewing, guys. I'm sewing this dart.
Very small.
I know, because we are working on a little dress form.